Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the bell icon at the top of the page to get notified when I post a new video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Universal Channeling. Channeling the Conscious Universe. A glimpse into eon days of human living, a fleeting second for God. By Angel V. Ornedo Jr. September 29, 2018. With health-conscious neighbors, after early morning brisk walk, we briefly discuss heart, health, happiness and humor at this part of the world at a village in Paranaque, Philippines. We call the group the 4-H Club, where junior/senior members of the Homeowners Association share their views, time allowing. We find time to schedule exercise, laugh, discuss constructive ideas and enjoy a beautiful life on this planet. For professionals, doctors, pilots, marketing agents, consultants, contractors, security providers. They talk about their incognito clients or patients, prepared or not, but share love, healing and cleansing solutions, abstracts from their own practice and experience. These events are in a 4D setting, no wars, chaos, with minor spats leading to laughter. Of course you can see the worst of humans living in squalor, in poverty, and people without meals for days. United Nations said, while global poverty rates have been cut by more than half since 2000, 1 in 10 people in developing regions are still living with their families on less than the international poverty line of US $1.90 a day, and there are millions more who make little more than this daily amount. Significant progress has been made in many countries within Eastern and Southeastern Asia, but up to 42% of the population in sub-Saharan Africa continues to live below the poverty line. During the Middle Ages, you saw the worst of humanity, killing humans for no apparent reason as clerics, religious, and government are one. They even send brigades to slaughter members of other religions in other countries, not their own. They, exorcising demons, out of innocent presumed guilty humans. AJR. Deep-seated belief system, ancestral teachings, good or bad actions, outburst, or mean talk that has affected the lives of the person sharing when the topic is diverted to politics and personalities. Potential solutions submitted to alternative news or mainstream media are biased like advertisements, paid for by politicians or businessmen trying to influence public opinion. With feelings and emotions we act our ways in a stage we play, our experience, God knows we pursued in 1,000 different ways. We play in a game, a stage God created for us to execute in a paradise lost which we are all trying collectively recover and return to her original form. Everything sounds very real, but it is your own play, your game, and you are the director of activities that influence or affect your life. Knowing we are extensions of Source, we push for light, for peace to fill our hearts. You will find joy and happiness in the things you have done, learning as they happen. Failures are preparation, skills learned for a major experience forthcoming, planned. Light workers and some of us know their place in the sun, aware and awakening. Unconditional love is shared by all at higher dimensions, unknown on 3D Earth, and for this we shared our love for beings of Earth. We volunteered to assist her raised to a higher plane, a practicality of creation, as we will live on duality and forgetting agreed before this stint on Earth until we realize who we are. After eons of trial and error, with darkness in control of humanity, source energy intervened at our world, our stage as the universal balance is upset. Negative beings controlled the world, dense and heavy energies had provided us experience of what is darkness and a net of irrational thoughts around the planet imprisoned humanity. We are getting prepared to be raised to the next higher vibrational frequency where disclosure is routine, transparency is established, unconditional love is norm. Purity of love, unconditional acceptance, and unconditional forgiveness prepare us for ascension, and with these actions, collective consciousness follow which help us attain our desires to our trek to oneness. Some of us are ready for conversion to crystalline light beings through death or a direct conversion to crystalline magnetic light beings if Source allows it to happen to beings with pure heart. Apparently this is less than 10 million years of human evolution unintentionally or directed, accelerated by dark controllers. We have less than a century to culminate completion of ascension for some of us. Billion years is a fleeting second for all that is, who created us in an instant. Thus there is no conflict with logical minds, only with religion who disagreed with scientists. That is the question of cloning and/or twinning hominids with advanced alien forms, and we could never have evolved. Paradise lost can be paradise regained as Source cleared our minds and hearts with us, showered with pure healing and cleansing lights gracefully permeating each one and Gaia and her other rider beings. We are grateful to Source for creating a new form, a new race now called humanity after almost 10 million years of growth. Our journey to higher vibration, to oneness is moving on. Light from Angel V. Ornedo Jr. About the author. Angel Jr. shares acts of love, light, and unity consciousness. With capitalist, he had provided livelihood to where he can at PH.C. Middle East, a concept that a full stomach learn new ideas. Healthy body is best. Read Knowing the Infinite Creator by author at Slibris, Amazon.com, or link with him at ornedojr@gmail.com.